So we're back out of Bundeena today to fit the 10 pair MDF on the temporary joint that we made last week so the client could get NBN on. Unfortunately NBN haven't returned yet, they're due back tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and get everything done and bring it into spec and make the job pretty easy for NBN. So we'll get in. And now we've mounted the 10 pair frame, we've terminated the internal cable, and now we're just terminating the 10 pair lead in onto the Crane IDC 10 pair block. For the MDF 10 pairs terminated, I like to terminate my cables on the inside so they don't get disturbed and the jumpers can be run from the outside. So 1 to 10, and because it's on the inside on the next block, 1 to 10 into reverse. Okay, that's all done. Cheers. And the installation's all completed now. Thanks. Okay, so the customer's also asked us to transfer the first point up to the bedroom upstairs where we found that corroded socket, so now we've replaced that. We also found some chew marks by mice or rats on the cable, so we've cut that back and we're just testing it now, and we've got a good clear line. That one at 1 metre, that'll be just where the socket, where the lead plugs into the socket, or our extension just here. So that's the question marks there at 1 metre. The cable's a metre long before it hits the patch lead that plugs in the socket, and that's going to go all the way back to the pillar. It's a good flat line, so that's well within spec. And 309 metres is about the pillar distance. I think from the MDF was around 293, so yeah, we're pretty much spot on the mark. So the customer now, when NBN attends tomorrow, should have no issues. The MDF's been done and terminated, and we relocated the first point upstairs for them and replaced a corroded 610 socket. So job's now completed, and customers should have no issues now getting the NBN connected at their residence here in Bundeena. Thank you.